On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, we will discuss the RegExp object. We will explain JavaScript's RegExp object, from basic concepts to practical usage in real-world scenarios, along with hands-on examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. RegExp, regular expression, is an object used to represent string patterns. Unlike simple character comparisons, you can flexibly define strings that meet certain conditions. By using a RegExp object, you can perform operations such as searching, validating, extracting, and replacing strings concisely and clearly. It is highly effective for everyday tasks such as form input validation, log analysis, and text formatting. Below are some simple examples of regular expressions. This regular expression checks whether the sequence ABC is included. There are two types of RegExp syntax: literal notation and constructor notation. Literal notation is concise and readable, making it suitable for regular expressions used as constants. On the other hand, constructor notation is used when you want to build the pattern using variables or determine its contents at runtime. With literal notation, you can intuitively describe both the regular expression and its flags together. In contrast, with constructor notation, you need to specify the pattern and flags separately. In addition, with constructor notation, you pass the regular expression as a string, so backslashes must be escaped twice. The RegExp object provides methods for performing evaluations and operations using regular expressions. Test is a method that returns a Boolean indicating whether a pattern matches. It is the first method you should learn, and it is ideal for conditional branching or input validation. Match returns an array containing the matched string and detailed information. Match is more convenient than test for extraction and parsing processes. Replace converts the matched part into another string. You can use it for log formatting or normalizing unnecessary whitespace. You can specify flags in regular expressions. Flags are options that control how a regular expression processes strings according to certain rules. Even with the same pattern, the results can change depending on the flags. The global flag searches throughout the entire string. The ignore case flag ignores case differences when matching. The Multi-line flag is used to treat multi-line strings on a per-line basis. With this, and operate based on the beginning or end of each line, rather than the entire string. By using square brackets, you can define a set of possible characters for a single position. This is useful for accommodating spelling variations and simple alternatives. Metacharacters are symbols that allow you to write commonly used patterns in a shorter form. D means a digit, and N specifies the number of repetitions. And represent the start and end of a string. They are important in situations where an exact match is required, such as form inputs. By using parentheses, you can extract partial values. It is frequently used for breaking down dates and structured strings. Regular expressions are powerful, but they tend to become difficult to read. If it becomes too complex, you can consider adding comments, splitting expressions, or revising the process itself. RegExp is an essential foundational feature in JavaScript for describing string processing simply and accurately. You don't need to learn complex regular expressions from the start. It's important to use basic methods and syntax like test, match, and replace, according to your practical needs. If you can treat regular expressions not as special knowledge, but as tools for organized pattern representation, you will greatly improve the quality and readability of input validation and text processing. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. Your support keeps this channel motivated. Please subscribe to the channel.